back to my channel. It's Thx here, and today I'm back with another video. And in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make your own intro for YouTube for free and through a website. And this method is going to be very easy and simple. So before we start, make sure to subscribe and like and comment down below what tutorial do you want me to do next. And sorry for not uploading a lot recently because I was in exams, so I was busy. So let's start. Go to panzoid.com. I will leave the link in the description below, and it should lead you to some creations of some creators, and there are intros and outros. So you have a little creation tab, so it leads you to some creations, and you can click on more creation to see more creations, and you can scroll through trending creations, latest creations, top creations, and following if you have an account and you follow people. Okay, so let's go to the home page and let's pick one of these. So pick what you like best. You can shoot either 3D or 2D, and you can always refresh to get new creations. So I'm going to be using this 3D template. So click on it and then click on open in Clipmaker, and it should lead you to the same website, but it's like an editor. So wait for it to load. So once it's fully loaded, you should get it like that. So you can left click, hold left click to move it around, and right click. So you need to go to this little cube which is named object. So left click on it, and it should take you to all the objects. So go ahead and find texts. So you sometimes they have two texts. So click on one of them, and then it should say the first one, like name and what you need to type in for your text. So I'm just gonna type in your name, and then click enter once you're done. And then if you have another text object for names, click on it and also change it to your name. So usually they have outlines, so that's why you have to put it to a type. And then once you're done, just click enter again. And now play it to see Okay, so once it's done playing, you could see, yeah, you can like mess with the objects, with the particles if it has. But if you don't want and you think you're satisfied with the options, just you're gonna go ahead and download it. So go to download, this tab called download, and then click on start video render. Click allow and wait for it to render your video so you can download it. Once your video is done rendering, it should give you these two options. So you need to click on download your video, and it should take you to this tab. So thank you for using Panzoid. Okay, so once this window appears, you need to click on save, and it should save. So mine is called video 2 MKV, and you go ahead and watch it and see if it's good. Okay guys, so I will appear the video on the screen so you can see it. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and I hope this helped. I hope I made you learn how to make an intro. And if you want any help, just post down in the comments below. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Have an amazing day and goodbye.